So as people get healthier, they want to look to you for other guidance
Exactly.
as well.
They trust you more. When patients will walk into their doctor, they'll open to the doctor.
Right.
I have patients who walk in and say, hey, doctor, can I speak with you? Okay, how can I help you? Can you pray for my grandson or my son or my daughter that I don't know? So as physicians, nurses, and healthcare providers, we are placed in a peculiar position to help people not only with their physical health, but social and spiritual health.
That's
we
right.
need to understand this because
right.
we're placed here for a reason.
Yes.
The reason is to go tell, preach, and prepare for God's second coming, and we must do so,
See,
or
I
else
love
He's
that.
not going to come.
That's right. I love the fact that you are looking at the whole person.
Total person.
You're not just impacting health, but you're acknowledging that true health is not just the physical aspect, but it's the emotional, the social,
And the
spiritual.
I take a holistic approach to health.
Yes.
Not all my patients are open, 99.99%. I've never asked to pray with a patient and the patient have said no, never.
Really?
Never.
So you have that sense of for whom you should pray.
Absolutely.
And I believe the Holy Spirit gives you that.
He
He lets you know,
right.
Pray for this one, pray with that one.
Right. I had a patient who came to me, new patient. She said, oh, I'm in your office because I've told that you pray with your patients. That's the only reason why she came to me.
Wow.
And unfortunately, one day she came, or another patient, and I didn't suggest a prayer. And she went out and she said, I almost came back because you didn't pray for me today.